Welcome, girlies, to Glam Up with Misty. I got another skincare regimen that I'm going to do for you guys today. This one is called the Chickpea Banana Peel Facial Mask / Scrub. But first, I do want to reintroduce you guys. I did a previous video on an antibacterial soap that's strictly formulated for acne. When I tell you guys this soap will clear your acne up, it's very powerful, very potent, has natural ingredients. You'll be using this first today. I got a few pimples that's trying to pop up on my chin. I want to kind of nip it in the bud and before it gets worse. This homemade mask I made. Yeah. I can't stress enough, you guys, it's very important to have a skincare regimen in place to help you maintain your skin as far as hydration, moisturizing, toning, and just overall firmness and youthfulness, okay? It's very important. If you do suffer from acne and hyperpigmentation, that's why more so it's very important that you have a skincare regimen. Having a good regimen in place is going to help fight against free radicals that we're subjected to, also anti-aging, as well as keeping your skin barrier very healthy, okay? It's very, very important. And also, it's very important to use sunscreen when we go outside. And people have melanin, we have color to us, we don't think we need sunscreen, which in fact is not true. It's very important also to help maintain the skin barrier, so to combat the aging process. So if you go outside without sunscreen, all those sun rays is just really drying out your skin. It's going to age you faster. So the key is hydration, and moisturizing, okay? That's very, very important, as well as deep cleansing. Okay, so I'm going to start by applying this antibacterial soap, which is formulated for acne, as well as if you want to do a deep cleansing. I would suggest if you suffer from acne, like a really bad case of it, you should use this twice a day, okay? Avoid getting the soap underneath your eyes. This is very powerful. When you lather it on your skin, let it sit for about maybe 5 minutes, okay? Then rinse it off, and then follow up with your normal skincare regimen. Okay? This soap will be on my website, Glam Fix Boutique, which will be launching soon, okay, at a very reasonable price. It has natural ingredients, and when I tell you, if you suffer from acne or just have occasional breakouts, this is going to really clear your skin up. And also, I did another posting introducing to you my other skincare system. It's strictly made for acne as well. I have the cleanser, the toner. This is very like a luxury line that I will be coming out with. This is a spray, basically for acne. And then you have the acne gel, which is going to really clear your skin up. The acne gel, and then follow up with the moisturizer, and then I have the healing oil. It has a lot of different herbs in there, if you can see. I'm not sure if you can see that. This is great. So the last thing you want to do is place the healing oil to put back all the oil that the other products have kind of stripped out. Because all acne is just the excess of oil and sebum and bacteria and pus and all that clogging up your pores. And the manifestation of that is acne, pimples, so this is going to heal your skin along with the soap as well. Your skin will get clear, like I would say within about a couple of weeks or so if you use it consistently, okay? A little goes a long way. It gives really good lather, as you can see. And this soap is very high performance. It does its activation very quick. I really don't suffer with bad acne, but for those of you who do have like really severe case of acne, use this soap at least twice a day in the morning and before you go to bed, okay? Along with the other skincare system for acne as well that I just showed you. All this will be on my website when it's launched. Just go in circular motions and concentrate on the areas where you see the breakouts or your pimples. Avoid getting the soap underneath your eyes. Again, this is very powerful. It has very potent ingredients that does wonders in your skin to help clear your skin up. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for about maybe a minute. But for you guys who have like really bad acne, let it sit for at least minimum 5 minutes. So we can go in there and kill off the bacteria which is the main cause of acne, overproduction of sebum and bacteria. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I rinsed the soap off very thoroughly. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply this homemade mask that I made this morning. This should last for at least 7 to 10 days. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to maintain it. I'm going to use this as a mask and a body scrub, okay? Let me go ahead and give you the ingredients that I use. It's called the Chickpea Banana Peel Mask / Scrub, okay? I use 2 tablespoons of arrowroot flour, 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour, 1 whole old banana peel. I chopped it up, along with 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of lemon juice, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of honey, and 1 egg white. And I mix it all together to give you this concoction, okay? You can tell it's turmeric in there because of the yellowish color. Turmeric is good for fading away dark spots, as well as the lemon, okay? It's going to help if you do suffer from hyperpigmentation, or just have dark areas, even dark knuckles. Turmeric and lemon is perfect for that, okay? So anyway, let me go ahead and apply it. Avoid getting this underneath your eyes. Just go around your eyes. I think I made too much of it, but that's okay. I can always use it in the shower. Yeah, you can use things right from your kitchen, you guys. I know money is tight, and skincare can be quite expensive. So that's why I try to come on here to give you guys gems and a natural skincare regimen straight from your kitchen. It works just as well. Oh, I'm sorry. I did also put avocado as well. Avocado is going to really help moisturize your skin as well as hydrate. So it's a lot of natural ingredients I put in here. It's going to really help tone my skin, cleanse as well, tighten, moisturize, enhance the elasticity of my skin. Also, I would normally put it on my neck as well. Well, no, not right now. I'll do it in the shower because it can be messy. Yeah, I'm a woman of a certain age, and it's very important for me to make sure I keep my skin very cleansed, hydrated, and moisturized and toned so I can slow up the aging process. If you're in your 20s, your 30s, even 40s, the 20s is a perfect time to really start your skincare regimen so that when you reach middle age, you're going to look younger than what you really are. People tell me all the time, I can't believe how old I am. They're like, wow, you look so good for your age. I'm like, well, I take care of myself. Beauty comes with a price. You can't just think just because you have natural beauty that one day it's going to fade away. We all going to have to age one day, and to do whatever you can do to slow up that process. And also having a good diet is very important too. What you eat is what you are. What you put in your system is what's going to come out of it. If you're eating all this junk food and over-processed food, sugar and fatty foods, it's no wonder your skin is breaking out and just not looking as healthy. And all this doesn't really take that long. Self-care is very important, you guys. Take care of yourselves. Because if you don't, no one else will. And try to stay away from stress. I know that's kind of hard to do in the times we're living in. You know, learn different ways you can kind of relieve the stress. You know, exercising, meditation, just going out in nature and smelling the roses. Okay, I think that's good. I'm going to leave this on for about maybe 15 minutes. It's going to start to tighten, and the pulling of all the excess oil, of any impurities that's beneath my skin layer. It's going to bring it all to the surface and all out, okay? That's what deep cleansing is. Getting all that junk and that gunk out your skin, beneath your skin layer, below the epidermis, to extract all that stuff that's clogging your pores. That's what's causing your skin problems. I'll be right back. I'm going to leave it on for about 15 minutes.
I come from in Somalia, women don't wear makeup, but they have beautiful skin. You know, skincare was the most important thing that we were taught as young girls. You cleanse and moisturize twice a day, and you take care of your skin, and you don't leave the house without an SPF. My mother always used to say that the skin you take care of in your early years is the one you're going to inherit in your 50s, 60s, and 70s. And that was a testament to her, because when people ask me now, I'm 58 years old, and when people say, oh, you have such a great skin, it's because I have been taking care of my skin religiously through the years. And unlike in the West, where young girls wear makeup too young, where I come from in Somalia, it was all about skincare. Nobody wore makeup. So makeup, to me, it's like an afterthought. It's what you put on for the outside world. And skincare is what you do for yourself. It's an investment in yourself.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I had the mask on for about 20 minutes. And just like I said, it got really hard. And I feel the pulling sensation. It's extracting anything that's the toxins, the impurities, the excess of oils, bacteria. It's taking all that from my skin. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off now and show you guys the after results. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I'm all done with my chickpea banana peel facial mask. And when I tell you, my skin feels absolutely wonderful. Oh my God, it feels very deep cleansed, well hydrated, moisturized, and toned. I forgot to mention that I included within that mixture 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Yes, cornstarch is really good to help tighten your skin and firm it up, especially when you're Asian and your skin just begins to sag. It helps kind of lift everything up and tone it and firm it up, okay? Another little secret for you girlies. And always remember, the moment you walk out that door, you got to step out looking cute. The part of being a woman is to be beautiful, to enhance her natural essence, okay? Never walk out looking ratchet. You got to take care of yourself. Especially if you're trying to attract a certain type of guy, you got to play the part. You got to sometimes fake it until you make it. That's why I'm giving you guys natural things you can do at home. You know, a lot of times, money is tight, really can't afford this expensive skincare. But yeah, so invest in yourself. That's what I'm here for, to help you guys along the way. If you don't know anything about how to maintain your beauty and enhance it, I'm your girl, okay? So make sure you follow me. A lot of these products will be on my website, Glam Fix Boutique, like the antibacterial soap that helps heal away acne and also deep cleanse, as well as other skincare systems I'm going to have on my site, such as the Organic Rose Skincare, along with the anti-aging, as well as the skincare formulated specifically for acne-prone skin, okay? So there's no excuse, you guys. I will keep you guys posted when I launch. Meanwhile, you guys stay positive, and don't forget to always be what? Cute. Bye.